I deleted my entire productivity system. No planner, no to-do app, no calendar hacks. And somehow, I got more done. Here's what happened when I let AI run everything. For years, I was obsessed with productivity. New apps, new methods, new systems every single month. I tried time blocking, second brain systems, task batching, and daily planning rituals, and every single system worked. For about 2 weeks. Then everything just collapsed. Tasks piled up, notes got messy, and my plans became a source of stress. So I asked a dangerous question. What if the problem wasn't my discipline, but the system itself? That's when I tried something extreme. I replaced my entire productivity workflow with AI. And by day 3, something totally unexpected happened. Here's the truth nobody talks about. Productivity systems create hidden work. You don't just do tasks, you manage tasks. You organize them, rewrite them, prioritize them. You spend all this energy deciding what to do, instead of actually doing it. Every morning used to look like this for me. Open the task manager, review overdue items, rearrange all my priorities, and then feel instantly guilty before any real work even started. My system became another job, so I removed it completely, no safety net. My rule was simple: if AI can decide it, I don't. Instead of planning my day, I asked AI, here's everything I need to do this week. Organize my day for maximum output. It created a realistic schedule, deep work blocks, and even timed my breaks. But here's the key difference. I didn't manage the system anymore. The AI updated it daily. Every morning I'd just ask, what should I focus on today based on my deadlines and energy levels? And it adjusted everything automatically. No guilt, no backlog panic, just clarity. But the real change came next. Around day 3, the AI started catching problems before I even noticed them. It would say things like, you scheduled too many creative tasks today, or you have unfinished work from yesterday. It even pointed out, this task depends on another step you haven't completed. It wasn't just organizing. It was thinking structurally, something most productivity apps never do. Traditional systems just wait for your input. AI actually predicts friction. That changed everything. Because when decision fatigue disappeared, momentum showed up. Before AI, I'd plan for 45 minutes, work for maybe 2 hours, get distracted, and then have to replan all over again. After AI, I'd wake up, ask one question, what's the highest impact task right now? And then start immediately. No setup phase, no mental warm-up, just execution. Even my breaks improved. The AI reminded me when my focus was dropping and suggested lighter tasks for my low energy periods and heavy thinking during my peak hours. It felt less like productivity and more like having an operations manager right inside my head. But here's what shocked me the most. I work less, but I finished more meaningful work because the AI removed all the fake productivity. Busy work just vanished. Low-impact tasks removed automatically, and some tasks were eliminated entirely. And I realized something a little uncomfortable. Most productivity systems reward activity, not results. The AI optimized for outcomes, and that exposed just how much time I used to waste. Now, this wasn't perfect. At first, I made a huge mistake. I treated the AI like another to-do list, and that failed instantly. AI only works when you give it context, like your goals, deadlines, and constraints. Once the AI understood my priorities, it stopped managing tasks and started managing my attention. That is the real upgrade. Here's the big realization nobody tells you. Productivity used to mean building better systems. Now, it means building better decisions. AI doesn't just store information, it reduces your thinking overhead. And that thinking overhead is where most people burn out. The future of productivity, in stricter discipline, it's delegated cognition, letting tools think about structure. So, we humans can think about creation. After 1 week, I noticed something strange. I stopped worrying about productivity entirely. Work just flowed. But there's one part of my life where AI actually made me less productive at first and almost ruined the whole experiment. I'll show you exactly what happened in the next video, because replacing your productivity system with AI sounds powerful, but most people are using it completely wrong. If you want to see how I actually set this all up step by step, subscribe and stay tuned. Because AI isn't just changing how we work, it's changing how we decide what work truly matters. Thanks for watching.